So on number 2, it says, what is the slope of the roof shown below? So we have a little house here. And we want to know the slope. We want to know how slanted the roof is. Because we could have a flat roof, but that makes for leaky roofs. So we want to find out what the slope is. How slanted is it? So we're going to find slope. And we're going to find the slope by finding the rise over the run. Rise over the run. The rise is the change in the vertical height. So what number am I going to use for the rise? The 15 or the 3? Which one is going to give me the change in the vertical height? 3. And the run is the change in the horizontal length. So how long is how long is it? 15. And we want to know the slope. So we're not going to change this to a decimal because we're going to use this in a minute. So we're just going to simplify. Each one of these is divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Thank you. And then feet divided by feet cancels out. Part B. What could be done to make the roof steeper? If I want that roof to be steeper, what could I change? Aaron? So what would I do to the rise? I will what? Make it taller, increase it. So at first he said, change the rise. What would happen if I made the rise shorter? Would the slope get bigger or flatter? Flatter. So do you see where at the beginning you just said, change the rise? You see where you had to add the rest of that on? So to make it steeper, make the rise bigger. How else could I make the the roof steeper? Shorten the run, absolutely. Because if we make the run shorter, that would be 3/10. So, or make the run shorter. Good job, boys. Then it says flatter. So what could be done to make the roof flatter? Because if the house at the farm, our roof is like this. I mean, it is almost straight up and down. So we should have made it flatter. So what could we have done? Decrease the rise. So make the rise shorter. Or, what else could we do? Increase the run. Make the run longer. Go ahead, me too.